Good afternoon, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. It's right on the borderline at lunchtime here. So good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Have a gooder. All right, let's get into the JASMY chart here, guys. See what's going on. We've got a little bit of a bounce going on in the market. JASMY showing some strength. Market showing a little bit of strength. Bitcoin up over 62K. We're going to look at it. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired, so I'm very sick still, guys. I got a bad cold, so bear with me on that. So the big question on everybody's mind, is this time to start recovering, or is this just a dead cat bounce? Well, first step would be, let's get up over this resistance level at 2 cents 020. 2 cents, yeah, 020, yeah. And then let's break above the 30-day SMA at 2 cents 072. Let's get through those two first and see where we kind of go from there. So yeah, that's kind of what we're paying attention to right now. All right, so let's get into the other news. Let's go have a look over at Bitcoin. Look at this daily candle on BTC, guys. By the way, welcome in. Make sure you're hitting the like and subscribe button on the way in. So look at Bitcoin. Look at this big daily candle right after, as you can see, I circled. We had a golden cross here on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. We had the 100-day, or sorry, the 30-day passing back up over the 100-day SMA. So that is what we call a golden cross. So very bullish there, guys, as you can see right here. So we've had a completely bullish engulfing candle right here, taking this candle completely out. Over on Bitcoin, back up over 62K, but can we sustain it? That would be the question on everybody's mind, right? First move would be closing this candle above the 30-day SMA, which we are doing right now. We're above it, but we still have about 6 hours and 40 minutes to go before this candle closes. So we'll have to play it by ear, man. We'll have to play it by ear. So guys, I'm going to get through the news, and then I'll jump into the chat after I'm done the news. Just so you guys know, I'm not ignoring you. I will get to the chat, so bear with me on that. But yeah, Bitcoin showing a bit of strength right now, up into the neutral with the RSI 51.93. Not too bad. Little bit of a double bottom going on here, right? Little bit of a double bottom going on here, guys. Are we going to see a pump to the upside as a result of that? Got to break up above resistance at 64K and close. That would be a top priority in my opinion. So yeah, and then we can get the 30-day crossing back over the 200-day SMA for another golden cross. Maybe we can break to the upside significantly here. But if we zoom out, guys, you guys know, we have this falling wedge pattern here, or descending channel. Very bullish structure, guys. This is breaking to the upside very, very bigly at some point very soon, in my opinion. So we just have to stay vigilant. And one might even argue that we kind of have a little bit of a inverse head and shoulders going on here, right? A little bit, a lot of potential patterns playing out here, guys. So we're going to stay on top of all of it. Let's go over to the weekly. See what's happening on the weekly time frame. So yeah, very bullish, looking mega bullish on the weekly as well. Yeah. So not too bad, guys. Not too bad. All right, let's get into some of the news. Let's go look at the bubbles. Look at this. Sea of green, guys. Sea of green. Look at this. Who was buying those dips? We got turbos up 9.3%, SEI up 13%, render 7, optimism 12.4. Nice recovery day, guys. Very nice. Sui up 13.7, Ondo 6.7. Look at Miria, 13.5% up. Juicy, juicy, juicy. Jasmy up 4.7%. Look at that, 1 cent 923, guys, fighting its way back up to that 2 cent level. I'd like to see it get back up over there. PIF up 6.7%. Not bad, guys. KASPA 6%, SWIFT almost 6%, XCN 5%. Very, very nice little recovery so far today, guys. All right, let's get into the news. Let's see what's going on. So look at this announcement from Junction, guys. Pre-release alert. Junction's newest badge exclusively rewards pioneer heroes. Curious about its purpose and how to earn it? Stay tuned. So a big announcement coming from Junction on the NFT side, guys. The Junction Pioneer Badge NFT. Very cool stuff. So we're going to pay attention. We're going to be on top of it. And we'll see what happens, right? This looks pretty cool. This looks pretty cool. Big announcement coming from Junction. You love to see Junction jumping into the NFT space for sure, right? All right, what else do we got? So Mt. Gox trustee postpones deadline to repay creditors by 1 year on October 25th, 2025. Or it's October 2025. So the purpose behind this, that might sound like a negative thing, guys, but it's really not. Because what this does is it spreads the selling pressure of the, if people sell, if the retail creditors who are getting paid back from Mt. Gox decide to sell, which some will, the majority probably won't, but some will. Well, this will spread that sell pressure over the course of 12 months instead of it being condensed into just a handful of months, right? And when that happens, when you spread it out over the course of 12 months as opposed to 2 or 3, the selling pressure is less, which means it affects the price of Bitcoin in a negative context even less, right? So it's actually very considerate to the rest of the market to do it that way, right? It's very considerate to my bags and your bags, because then it's one less thing we have to sit there and watch and go, oh, they're going to dump and here we go again, right? So it's actually very positive. So, yeah. All right, what else do we got? We got some KASPA news. Check this out, guys. KASPA is the latest cryptocurrency under consideration to be added to the Grayscale investment product. It says assets under consideration list, digital assets not currently included in Grayscale's investment product, but identified by our team as possible candidates for inclusion in a future product. So could we see a KASPA trust coming to Grayscale? Be very interesting to find out, guys. That would be very, very bullish and one step closer to KASPA ETF, right? Down the road. We'll see what happens. And this is just irony at its best. Check this out, guys. TD Bank fined $3 billion for enabling, I can't say the words on here, for this, if you can read it. The latest penalty, so money laundering, we'll say that, right? The largest penalty of its kind in U.S. history. In U.S. history. Where is Elizabeth Warren right now? Because according to her, this is what she's talking about here. This is a crypto problem, not a money problem. That's a crypto problem, right, Elizabeth? Where are you with this? Why is she not condemning this publicly right now? Right? She's so against this. And this is the problem with crypto. But here we are with the largest penalty of its kind in history. And guess what was used? Cashola, fiat. Not crypto, fiat. Funny how that worked out, eh? Funny how that worked out. Big XCN news, guys. Check this out. New spot listing for XCN Onyx Coin on Revolut. I did a short talking about it last night. Guys, the more spot listings we get, the more potential wallet holders we have, the more liquidity pours into the market, the bigger the community gets, the more participation in the DAO. This is all just a big chain reaction, and it's very bullish for Onyx Coin. Absolutely amazing. And what else do we have going on over here? Boom. Bank of America survey shows 62% of millennials prefer crypto as $84 trillion is set to transfer from older generations. A lot of inheritance getting passed down to millennials at this point, 84 trillion to be exact, and they prefer crypto, 62% of them. So, I mean, what's 62% of 84 trillion? A heck of a lot of money, right? What is that? That's probably 53 trillion dollars, something like that. 51 trillion, something along those lines. That's a lot of money that could be coming into crypto, guys. You'll love to see it. All right, and check this out. If you are a Toncoin holder, new spot listing on Kraken for Toncoin, tier 1 listing. Very, very bullish. Very bullish. And not to sway from the theme, Turbo with a new listing as well on Coinpedia Markets. Boom. New listings happening across the frickin' world right now, guys. Onyx Coin, Turbo, Toncoin, new listings. The listings are starting to ramp up. This is another bullish sign that the bull run is coming. All right. What else do we got? We got another metric for you guys. Over 24,100 BTC were sold at a loss in the last 24 hours. This could be our final shakeout before the pump. So weak hands getting shaken out at a loss, guys. Why? Oh, why would you do that? Why would you sell your crypto at a loss? And my phone's ringing in the background. So give me a second here. BTC bull markets linked to U.S. election analyst. Recent insights from Crypto Rover, an analyst on X, highlights a strong connection between the U.S. elections and Bitcoin's bull market. Rover's analysis shows that Bitcoin has often experienced significant price increases after U.S. elections. The analyst's chart tracks Bitcoin's price action following the 2016, 2020, and projected 2024 elections. It reveals consistent patterns of growth that could guide future market movements. Investors within the cryptocurrency community are paying attention to this historical data as they evaluate potential trends. The chart reveals a notable uptrend in Bitcoin's price following the 2016 U.S. election. According to Crypto Rover's data, this election triggered the beginning of a strong, sustained bull market. The post-election rally saw steady upward movement that lasted over several months. Sharp peaks in the charts highlights the consistent rise during this period. Rover identifies this cycle as one of the most significant periods of growth for Bitcoin, laying groundwork for future market activity. Big things are coming, guys. Are you ready is the question. You know, it's boring, it's sideways, it feels like nothing's ever going to happen until it happens, and then you're left crapping your pants. Tucker Carlson says Bitcoin can defund government control and fuel movements. Tucker Carlson shared his thoughts on Bitcoin's impact on government control. He emphasized that digital currencies, particularly Bitcoin, could be essential in defunding centralized institutions' power over money. This, he claims, could protect efforts to challenge government authority, including funding movements that can't be defunded. Carlson argued that while traditional banking can block transactions and freeze accounts like they did in Canada, Bitcoin allows seamless peer-to-peer transfers that are hard to block. Carlson highlighted how Bitcoin, unlike traditional currencies, allows for transactions beyond governmental oversight. He stated that Bitcoin accounts, unlike those in banks, cannot be closed. Notably, while forecasts can be funded with Bitcoin, protests, can be funded with Bitcoin, challenges arise when converting the cryptocurrency into cash. Furthermore, wallets flagged as high risk might face limited interactions. Consequently, Bitcoin doesn't completely remove government oversight, but offers more control to users, making it attractive for people seeking alternatives to centralized systems. In 2024, Bitcoin Amsterdam Conference unites the members of the worldwide Bitcoin community, held on October 9th and 10th. This event features a stage for roughly 5,000 spectators. Over 150 presenters, such as Elizabeth Stark of Lightning Labs and Jack Mullers of Strike, are delving deeper into the future of Bitcoin with the audience. Muller's session on the Bitcoin revolution and Stark's discussions on technology adoption are anticipated highlights. What is more mysterious is who is Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, this is something that's been going around, guys. I don't think we should ever find out who Satoshi Nakamoto is. All they're doing by trying to label somebody as Satoshi is trying to find a person to go after. That's what they're trying to do, right? So don't give it to them. We don't want to know who Satoshi is, right? It gives them a target. That's all it does. The person who created Bitcoin is a Blockstream CEO and cyberpunk pioneer Adam Back. Also made comments about him. The fact that he said, "We will never know who Satoshi is," keeps people curious. Moreover, after the HBO documentary aired, Back's remarks have gained additional traction. The talks at the Bitcoin Amsterdam conference, along with Carlson's perspective, indicate that the importance of Bitcoin in defunding centralized control, notwithstanding its limitations, Bitcoin offers a promising prospect for individuals who aspire to achieve financial system decentralization. So that's what we want, guys. We want to steer further away from government control. That's what we need. They don't like it, but guess what? Too bad. You've abused your power already. Can't be trusted. All right, let's get into the chat real quick. Big Kev, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Guys, as always, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Danny's in the house. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Johnny, my man. OG Johnny in the house. My brother from another mother. Jetpack, what's up, fam? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Big Dog, what's up, Richie Rich? Love to listen while driving. Nice. I'm glad I can keep you entertained. Eyes on the road, brother. Brandon, I sold all my JASMY at 4 cents 1 and bought back at 1 cent 79. Nice. Nice little profit, brother. Nice little profit. I dig it. Danny's in the house. Yeah, Danny. Evening again, my friend. Evening again. All right, guys. So that is the news this morning. We burned through it kind of quick. Look at JASMY's pumping as we speak, trying to make its way back up to that 2 cent level. We'll see if we can get there. But I got to head off to the gym. I got some stuff to take care of, guys. I will be back this evening for another live stream. And thank you, as always, for being here. Thanks for supporting the channel. Get over to the Patreon, guys. The link is in the chat and the description. Book your one-on-one coaching calls today and join our video group coaching calls, guys. They are an absolute blast. Everyone loves them. The community is huge over on the Patreon, so get over there. Get signed up. We'll see you over there, guys. I will be doing a group video call shortly over there today. So make sure you're there, and I'll see you guys later.